This salt and pepper grinder is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with these cute salt and pepper stickers, a manual, and they are very simple to use. They have an unlock and lock button where the batteries go. Each of the grinders hold 6 batteries, AAA not included. The containers are made of BPA food grade acrylic. They are large capacity, fitting 3.5 ounces for your pepper and 6.5 ounces for your salt. This set is great for any friend, family, new homeowner, or newlywed whose kitchen is not complete without a special salt and pepper shaker. The salt and pepper stickers are so easy to apply. Make sure you clean your surface to make sure that they adhere properly. They are gravity sensitive, so they will sense when you turn them upside down. You can adjust the coarseness of your spices using this knob that turns to ensure that you always get what you want. This set makes a great addition for any kitchen, restaurant, party, or picnic.